in my opinion. I don't know if you watched this game at all, but
I
Carolina
didn't.
overcame a 2-goal deficit in the third period to steal a game from the Edmonton Oilers. Frederick Anderson was great. He made 33 of 35 saves. Aho had 2 points, including the game-winning goal in overtime. Just absolutely. McDavid was McDavid for the first 2 periods, and all of a sudden the Hurricanes just, I mean, I went to bed. It was 2-0. And all of a sudden I woke up, it was 3-2 overtime.